Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I thought why not try something colorful as Easter is approaching and it's spring, so we need to celebrate it. So I had seen these eggs for so long and I really wanted to use them in something as they are so colorful. So I thought this mold is perfect for using these eggs. So what I'm doing here is I am pouring some resin on the outer edge of this mold here. So simply I will be pouring this, just a simple single layer of the resin. And after that, I will be arranging these eggs into these sockets. You can see, I hope they fit all. So this is my idea of using these eggs into this coaster. So this is what I will be doing here. So as these eggs are fluffy, so they were giving me a little problem on arranging. So I just removed them and later on I just added as I went. So I will be doing that and you just enjoy the process. So it's done now and I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and what I did was I added a very thin layer of clear resin as you can see and it's cured. So now it's going to be the next step that I will be doing here. And the next step is that I will be mixing my resin, and to my resin I have added a little bit of white pigment and a little bit of golden mica. Before I thought I'll make a flower in the center, but this time I thought I'll try something different. So it's mixed now and I'm pouring this layer. So this is going to be the back layer. So I'm using my heat gun so that the resin reaches to all the corners. And also I need to remove the bubbles if there are any. And after that I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It's all cured now. It's time to remove. Let's see how it looks like. So I got some spills on the side, but we have not to worry. I will be cutting them with the pliers. So this is how it's looking like. So all the eggs are into the slots and it is perfect. So beautiful. So this is how I will be removing the excess resin. So it's been all removed and at this point you can just leave it like that, but I'm going to do something extra. So this is rice paper and I have used previously rice paper with jasmonite and that was really amazing. And after that I used a silk screen with rice paper. I will link these videos above here so you can see them. So I'm just going to select one of the bunnies, although all of them are really cute. Just going to figure out which one fits perfectly. So I have selected the one and I'm just cutting it. So after cutting it, I'm going to rip it with my hands because I need the edges to be a bit on the rough side instead of a very fine cut. This helps the rice paper to stick better to the area that I want to stick it and give it a bit organic look. So I will be doing some rice paper projects, so keep on watching. So it's done now, and I will be putting this rice paper onto the dish here, just making sure that it fits perfectly. For applying the rice paper, you need a decoupage glue. And now with the help of a paintbrush, I will be applying the decoupage onto the coaster here. And you need a very thin layer of decoupage glue, and after that you have to place the rice paper on the top of the glue here and make sure it is uh, a perfect fit. And after that I will be applying the decoupage glue on the top of this rice paper again. And when I was applying the decoupage glue, I saw there are some empty spaces, so I'm just ripping some of the rice paper on the area that is access to the place where is there is empty space, just to make it fit perfectly. As I'm going to use the glue, it is going to be disappearing like there is nothing, and it's going to be, you can't see that there is any patch. It's going to be one. So after applying the glue, I just wanted to add a little bit of gold foil to some spaces. You can just leave it like that. I just want to add a little bit of that extra touch to make it a bit magical. So that's what I'm doing here. So I will be very careful in adding the gold foil because I really don't want to destroy the design, because this rice paper on its own is so pretty. So what I did here is that I applied a little bit of gold foil, and with my finger I just rubbed on the gold foil to make it a bit smudge look. So that's what I did here. So after this, I left it to dry and I did a top coat. So let's see the final look of this beautiful coaster. So this is the final look of the coaster. It is really pretty. You can call it a coaster, you can call it a trinket dish, you can put your sweets on it. There are so many options, and you can use it on the wall as a wall decor. There are so many options, whatever you want to do. I love how this project turned out. It is so simple yet it is so cute. There were some steps, but all in all I love it. And thank you so much for your amazing support, your kind feedback, your motivational words. They are so helpful to me. I really love to read them and they motivate me to create more unique creations. Again, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.